Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
Yes, bro.
That's from you.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, what a bass. Holy shit. That's a sick bass. I love that bass.
Thanks, bro.
Ooh, I like your setup.
Oh, I like the light in the background. Do you want to hear some beatboxing?
Yeah, sure.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
That's from you.
Yeah.
What type of humans can make that noise?
Beatboxers.
But like the sound, they sound like they came from like a computer.
Yeah, because we kind of imitate like electronic sounds and stuff like that, like a wow, wow, wow. What's going on? Yep, that's beatboxing, buddy.
Oh. I like your hair.
Wait a minute, were you just beatboxing?
I am. All right, thank you, by the way. You guys want to hear something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Do you guys know Megatron from Transformers, the movie? All right, cool.
Yeah.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
was awesome.
Thank you guys. Thank you. I appreciate that.
As a Transformer nerd, man, I like that.
Thanks. I'm actually recording right now for YouTube.
Really?
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
Damn. Damn, bro. You go to like competitions or something?
I'm actually recording right now for YouTube. If you don't mind posting this
All right,
clip
man.
later.
Let me check it out. What is it?
Oh yeah,
Type it.
it's actually Mr. Mike MR space MIC. I'm typing it right now in chat.
Yo, that's wild.
Thanks, bro.
Hello,
Hey, how's it going, bro?
how are you?
Are you beatbox?
Alright, beatbox?
You beatbox?
Yeah, I beatbox.
Oh, bet. Let's go. All right.
Can you make beatbox?
I beatbox first?
Yeah, I'm new, so new. It's
Oh,
not 9
bet.
months. You first.
Yeah, I'm going first.
Oof. My God, I'm fucking fire! Oh my God!
Thanks, bro.
Too fucking awesome, man.
I'm actually recording right now for YouTube. Do you mind if I use
Oh,
this
my
clip?
What?
I said I'm recording for YouTube right now. Do you mind if I use this clip?
Yeah, yes.
All right, so here's my channel. Let me
Oh, I'm surprised right now. Like,
Yo, what's up, bro?
Hey, how's it going, bro?
It's going good, man. You gonna play a song for you or what?
I actually beatboxing folks here.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Can I get one?
Oh, you want to hear some beatboxing here?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, all right,
Awesome,
let's
dude.
get it, bro. Let's get it.
Hell yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Bet. Let's do it.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
that was fucking sick. Bro. That was fucking killer, bro.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Hey,
Thank you.
can you do that sound that the Autobots do?
Yeah, like
Really good, like?
yeah, like this.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons.
That was it, bro. That was fucking it. Okay, so you did the Decepticons. Can you do the Autobots?
Yeah. Yeah, I could do that. Hold on. I didn't do it for a while. I've been playing the evil guy for a long time.
Bad fucking ass, dude. That was killer. Because I remember that shit from whenever I was a kid.
Yeah, man.
I swear to God, that's exactly what it sounded like.
I am Optimus Prime. Autobot transform and roll out.
Yes, bro. Holy shit, bro. That's killer, man.
Thanks, bro.
Tomorrow.